Okay, my people, this na man on the street and I dey for inside Pidgin News Network. My people, they talk and say when two elephant fight, they say na the grass na they suffer. My people, the fight for this our government together with themselves. You don't they give us concern. First, now Honorable Bike Dabiri, we dey for House of Diaspora, and our Minister for Communication and Economy. Now they first start the fight. Now he don't enter our presidential task force of Corona matter with the PTF them. What happen here? Be say the Oga Patapata and the people where they drive the presidential task force of Corona matter, they don't come out contact say I beg. He say everything where PTF people talk concerning say school go open on the 8th. He say make anybody no believe am, say no be from their table we come from. So make anybody no accept them because then they no support them at all.
The material that the chairman of PTF spoke about, which is an announcement purportedly from him that we are reopening all schools on the 8th, did not emanate from us. That is not true. The big organs you see here, all the big doctors, Dr. Hani, Dr. Mamora, Dr. Esani, Dr. Ihekwazu, all these people are experts, along with WHO. So whenever I bring up all this my logic, they will tell me, look, logic is not medicine. Until we are sure that these children can go to school, return safely, and not bring home with them this COVID material, then infect people who are more susceptible to the disease than they are, then we are running a huge risk. And God forbid, in our hurry, something happens to our children. I'm not sure how anybody will be in a position to even retrieve what has been lost. So we're not taking that risk yet. We are going to prepare as much as possible within the guidance that they offer us with their expertise, working in conjunction with the World Health Organization before we reopen schools.
He said because they don't look into the matter, say this thing for children to come back because of this corona matter, he said go affect children well. According to this Oga where they talk so, he said he don't follow the support of all these big doctors where they in back. Say for this matter, he said because anytime when bring logic come, say more follow this logic, do something, they go talk say come, my boy, this logic no be medicine, so make we look how we go take solve the matter. He said because of this, they no go fit just risk make children come outside, say that they go school because may God forbid bad things, something happen to these children, how want to manage the matter, and anybody will lost the picking because of this matter, so he no go fit recover and back. He said so because of this, he don't come out to talk say make anybody no reason that matter, say they won't resume school on the 8th as PTF talk. My people, this na man on the street and a Pidgin News Network be this.